Hello everyone, welcome to LoveGo Media. I'm Peter Liu. Here I will introduce you how to operate LoveGo portable auction concentrator LG103. LG103 is the newest LoveGo portable model in 2018. It offers 2.5 liters per minute continuous flow and 7 liters pulse flow. The purity is above 90% at all flows. This video will have 5 parts. Part 1. Check accessory. This is the LoveGo LG103 machine. This is the adapter, power cord, the battery charger, the car line. This is nasal cannula, air filter, humidifier bottle, and the user manual. If missing anything, please contact your LoveGo supplier. Part 2. Work with AC power. Firstly, we need to well connect the adapter with the power cord. Make sure the connection is tight. And connect the adapter with the machine. You see, like this. And then plug the power cord into the power. You can see the lights on the adapter is green now. The switch button is here. Press it. The machine will power on. Press again. The machine will power off. Our machine has power off alarm. If the power is cut down, it will alarm to remind you. You see? If this happens, please check your power source. Next, connect the humidifier bottle with the oxygen outlet. When you fill in the water, please make sure it won't exceed this maxi bar. And connect the oxygen cannula with the humidifier bottle. Switch on and press the on-off button. Now the machine is working. Have a look at the screen panel. This is the on-off button. You can press it to turn off the machine or turn on the machine. This is the model button. You can press it to adjust the continuous flow model or pulse flow model. This is plus button and this is minus button. You can press these 2 buttons to adjust the auction settings you want. Look at this light. It is purity indicator. Green means normal. If it turns yellow, it means the purity decreases. And if it is red, the purity alarm will beep. Look at the number on the screen. It is auction flow. Now, the machine is work under the continuous model. This is the continuous model sum. The LG103 has 5 continuous flow settings, and its max continuous flow is 2.5 liters per minute. You can adjust the flow. See? 1.5 liters, 2 liters, 2.5 liters, 2 liters, 1.5, 1, 0.5 liters. You can see this number. This is the time accounting for the machine working hours. Now it shows 3. Normally, we will test the machine 2 to 5 hours before leaving factory. If you want to use the pass flow model, you can press the model button. But before it, you must remove the humidifier bottle because the water will stop our machine from detecting your breath. Let's remove the bottle first. Connect the oxygen cannula with the oxygen outlet directly, and then press the model button. You see, now the machine is working under the pass flow. This is the pass flow sign. The LG103 has 7 settings for pass flow. You can press the plus button or minus button to adjust it. You see, 2 settings, 3 setting, 4 setting, 5 setting, 6 setting, and 7 setting. This number is the breath frequency. If the machine doesn't detect your breath for about 2 minutes, it will alarm to remind you. Pay attention that pass flow is unlike continuous flow. Continuous flow can release oxygen all the time, but pass flow only releases oxygen according to our breath. You see, inhale, inhale, inhale. You can see the rhythmic sound. It is oxygen releasing sound. Part 3. Work with battery. Get the LoveGo battery firstly and pull the handle out. Then install the battery on the back side of the machine. You can see this space. It is specially designed for installing the battery. Okay, just lift that up and put the battery inside it, like this. Then, we'll connect it with the machine. Turn on the switch and press on. Now the machine is working. After you install the battery, you don't need to take it out anymore. And you can carry the machine anywhere you like. It is very convenient and it can bring many freedom for you. Part 4. Walk in the car. After you carry the machine on the car, you must start the car engine firstly, or the machine won't work. And then disconnect the machine with the battery. Get the car lamp and connect it with the machine. Then insert this code into the cigarette lighter. Make sure you insert it into the bottom, or the code will get hit easily. Now you see the light is red. Then switch on and press the on-off button. The machine will work. Now the machine works on the continuous flow. You can adjust the flow you need. You see, 1 liter, 1.5 liters, 2 liter, and 2.5 liters. If your car can't start the machine under 2.5 liters, you can lower the setting or adjust it to the pass model. You see, 2 liters. 1.5 liters. And you can press the model button to adjust it to the pass model. Now the machine works on the pass model. You also can adjust the seating. 6 seating, 5 seating, 4 seating, and 1 seating. Okay. Part 5. Recharge battery. This is the LoveGo battery. There is a red button here. Press it, the light will come. The light is the battery capacity indicator. If full light on, it means the battery is full. If with only red light, it means the battery capacity is not enough. You need to charge it. So, how to charge the battery? Take the battery charger and its power cord firstly. We'll connect them. Make sure the connection is tight. Then, plug it into the power. You can see the light on the charger will turn green. Then, connect it with the battery. The light on the charger turn red. Red light means the battery is under charging. When the battery is full, the light will turn green. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you need any help for the operation, contact us anytime. Have a nice journey with our LoveGo machine.